Hi guys, I'm showing this video after they finish bricks work. They installed the aluminum windows. You can see here, that's here the paver area. The paver area here they poured concrete up at the top of the above dirt. Here they are digging for electrical work. You can see two conduit number 4. Here location for sidewalk. And here you can see here electrical work. That header here, you can see they put insulation in the header. They installed the aluminum windows, you know, after they lay the bricks. And here, you know, duct work. Here they working to do plumbing work. Here, you know, they remove the metal stud framing because they need to go back and forth to remove material, stone. Here you can see plumbing, graphene plumbing. Same thing here, graphene plumbing. Here you can see when they pour concrete for ribbon slab, they came back, they did saw cut for plumbing work. So you can see graphene plumbing. They remove the slab, graphene. You can see here. Have a grading work over there. You know, they did the plumbing too late, you know, they should do it before. Okay, so here you can see windows. They have like 1/4 inch everywhere. That's the air barrier. Okay guys. Hey guys, you can see plumbing work. Here they are working. That's the sanitary manhole. You can see digging. They didn't finish grading work. Here the sanitary system. Here, look like they have a leak. Yeah. So here you can see they install aluminum. That's the hold down, electrical work. Electrical work. Okay guys. If you like this video, please like, subscribe. We'll upload more videos about construction work. Thank you guys. Bye.